अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू एजुकेशनल हब प्रिपरेशन। इस वीडियो में हम आईनी पाकिस्तान को मुकम्मल तौर पर एमसीक्यूज़ की शक्ल में कवर करेंगे और ये एमसीक्यूज़ असिस्टेंट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर, पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी और दीगर इम्तिहानात के लिए बहुत अहम है। तो अगर आप आइन को तेज़ी से सही सिमत में और इम्तिहानी तकनीक के साथ समझना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए ही है। तो चले शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ टॉप 100 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस ऑफ पाकिस्तान। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज इज व्हेन डिड द नेशनल असेंबली अप्रूव और पास द ड्राफ्ट ऑफ 1973 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? So the answer is A, which is 10 April 1973. Next MCQ is when was the draft of 1973 Constitution signed by the President? So the answer is B, which is 12 April 1973. Next MCQ is when was the draft of 1973 Constitution enforced? So the answer is C, which is 14th August 1973. Next MCQ is how many parts and articles did it comprise of? So the answer is B, which is 12 parts and 280 articles. Next MCQ is what does Article 1st of the Constitution of Pakistan define? So the answer is B, which is the Republic and its territories. Next MCQ is which religion is declared as the state religion of Pakistan according to Article 2nd of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is C, which is Islam. Next MCQ is what is the main focus of Article 3rd of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is elimination of exploitation. Next is what fundamental right is guaranteed under Article 4 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is right to legal protection and equality before the law. Next MCQ is what duty does Article 5 of the Constitution of Pakistan impose on its citizens? So the answer is A, which is loyalty to the state and obedience to the Constitution and the law. Next MCQ is what act is defined as high treason under Article 6 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is overthrowing, suspending or ignoring the Constitution by force or unconstitutional means. Next MCQ is how many articles are there in Part 2nd of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is C, which is 34. Next MCQ is according to Article 7, what does the state include in Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is federal government, parliament, provincial governments and assemblies and authorized local authorities. Next MCQ is what does Article 8 of the Constitution of Pakistan state about laws inconsistent with fundamental rights? So the answer is B, which is they are void except certain laws related to armed forces, police are listed in the first schedule. Next MCQ is according to Article 9 of the Constitution of Pakistan, no person shall be deprived of. So the answer is B, which is life or liberty except in accordance with the law. Next MCQ is what additional right is guaranteed under Article 9 A of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is C, which is right to a clean, healthy and sustainable environment. Next MCQs is under Article 10th, within how many hours must an arrested person be presented before a magistrate? So the answer is within 24 hours. Next MCQs is how long a person be held under preventive detention without review by the review board for public order offences. So the answer is C, which is 8 months. Next MCQs is what right is guaranteed under Article 10A of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is C, which is right to fair trial and due process. Next is what does Article 11 of the Constitution of Pakistan prohibit? So the answer is B, which is slavery, forced labor and human trafficking. इसके साथ साथ अगर आप असिस्टेंट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर इम्तिहान की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ऊपर आई बटन में मौजूद इलेक्शन एक्ट 2017 का मुकम्मल लेक्चर जरूर देखिए. So our next MCQs is what protection does Article 12 of the Constitution of Pakistan provide? So the answer is B, which is protection against retrospective punishment. Next is what protections are provided under Article 13 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is protection against double punishment and self-incrimination. Our next MCQs is what does Article 14 of the Constitution of Pakistan protect? So the answer is A, which is inviolability of dignity and protection from torture. Next is what right is guaranteed under Article 15 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is D, which is freedom of movement and residence within Pakistan. Next MCQs is what right is guaranteed under Article 16 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is A, which is freedom of assembly peacefully and without arms. Next is what right is guaranteed under Article 17 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is freedom of association and forming political parties. Next MCQs is what right is guaranteed under Article 18 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is C, which is freedom of trade, business or profession. Next is what does Article 19 of the Constitution of Pakistan guarantee? So the answer is B, which is freedom of speech and press subject to legal limitations. Next MCQs is what right is guaranteed under Article 19A of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is right to information and access to public records. Next is what rights are guaranteed under Article 20 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is freedom to profess, practice and propagate religion and manage religious institutions. Next MCQs is what protection is provided under Article 21 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is A, which is safeguard against taxation for purpose of any particular religion. Next is what protections are provided under Article 22 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is safeguards and educational institutions regarding religion and non-discrimination. Next MCQs is what right is guaranteed under Article 23 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is a right to own, acquire and dispose of property. Next is what protection is provided under Article 24 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is protection of property rights with lawful compensation. Next MCQs is what principle is guaranteed under Article 25 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is D, which is equality of citizens before the law and protection against discrimination. Next is what right is guaranteed under Article 25A of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is right to education for children aged 5 to 16 years. Next MCQs is what does Article 26 of the Constitution of Pakistan guarantee? So the answer is B, which is non-discrimination and access to public places. Next is what protection is provided under Article 27 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is A, which is safeguard against discrimination and public services. Our next MCQs is what right is guaranteed under Article 28 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is preservation and promotion of language, script and culture. Next is how many articles are there in Part 3 of the Constitution of Pakistan? So the answer is C, which is 60 articles. और इसके साथ ये भी याद रखिए कि ये स्टार्ट होते हैं आर्टिकल 40 से लेकर आर्टिकल 100 तक. Our next MCQs is according to Article 41, what are the qualifications to be elected as President of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is Muslim, at least 45 years old and eligible to be elected as a member of the National Assembly of Pakistan. Next MCQs is according to Article 42, before whom does the President of Pakistan take the oath of office? So the answer is C, which is Chief Justice of Pakistan. Our next MCQs is according to Article 43, which of the following is true about the President of Pakistan? So the answer is C, which is they cannot hold any paid position or office of profit and cannot contest for parliament or provincial assembly seat. Next is according to Article 44, what is the term of office of the President of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is 5 years with a maximum of 2 consecutive terms. Our next MCQs is according to Article 45, what power does the President of Pakistan have regarding sentence? So the answer is B, which is they can pardon, reprieve, suspend, remit or reduce any sentence. Next MCQs is according to Article 46, who is responsible for keeping the President of Pakistan informed on internal and foreign policy matters? So the answer is C, which is the Prime Minister of Pakistan? Next MCQs is, according to Article 47, under what circumstances can the President of Pakistan be removed or impeached? So the answer is B, which is for physical or mental incapacity, violating the Constitution, or gross misconduct. Next MCQs is, according to Article 48, how must the President of Pakistan act on the advice of the Cabinet or Prime Minister? So the answer is B, which is they must act on it after one reconsideration, except where the Constitution allows discretion. Next MCQs is, under Article 48, what must the President do if the National Assembly is dissolved? So the answer is B, which is they set an election date within 90 days and appoint a caretaker cabinet. Next MCQs is, according to Article 49, who acts as President of Pakistan if the office becomes vacant or the President is unable to perform duties? So the answer is C, which is the Senate Chairman, or if the Senate Chairman is unavailable, then the National Assembly Speaker. So our last MCQs of the first part of top 100 most important MCQs is, which is, according to Article 50, what constitutes the Majlis-e-Shura or Parliament of Pakistan? So the answer is B, which is the President and two houses. And the two houses in Pakistan is National Assembly and Senate. So ये था हमारा पार्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ टॉप 100 MCQs ऑन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान, जिसमें हमने हर आर्टिकल से अहम और इम्तिहान में बार बार आने वाले MCQs शामिल किए हैं। तो ये वीडियो ख़ास तौर पर असिस्टेंट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर, FPSC, PPSC और दीगर कम्पिटिटिव इम्तिहानात के लिए तैयार की गई है, ताकि आप आइन को तेज़ी और दुरुस्त अंदाज में समझ सकें। तो अगर आपने ये वीडियो पसंद की हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, ताकि पार्ट 2 जल्द देख सके और अपनी तैयारी मुकम्मल कर सके। और याद रखिए, आईनी पाकिस्तान को आर्टिकल ब आर्टिकल तफसील से समझने के लिए हमारे कई वीडियोस भी इस यूट्यूब चैनल पे मौजूद है, और हर वीडियो में मुख्तलिफ आर्टिकल्स को आसान ज़बान और वाज़ेह अंदाज में समझाया गया है, जो आपकी इम्तिहानी तैयारी को और मजबूत और जामे बनाएगा। तो अपनी तैयारी को मुकम्मल बनाने के लिए उन तफसीली वीडियोस को भी ज़रूर देखिए और नोट्स के साथ फॉलो करें। थैंक यू।